Hi, my name is Jen, and I'm a movement coach with a strong background in biomechanics. I love helping people find freedom of movement and a renewed connection to their body. I'm excited to be offering a 4-week workshop at Evergreen Pilates called Aging Strong. I've created a unique set of movements to help you identify as well as strengthen areas of the most importance as we age. And what I hear from most people, that tends to be posture, balance, and bone strength. So we're going to focus on those things a lot. We'll use the text Dynamic Aging by Katie Bowman, and that will be our foundation. So you'll have homework every week from that text, and then we'll build onto that with research and functional movement, Pilates, making a really well-rounded body experience. So week 1, we're going to talk about feet and breath. Feet are our foundation, right? And then breath is our superpower. So we'll start there to work on our posture, balance, and mobility. The second week, we'll layer on hip strength and balance. And we'll be talking about the most effective ways to strengthen bones. We'll use simple but highly effective body weight movements to get you the strongest bones that you can and help prevent falling. No matter where you are on the spectrum of balance, we will work on that and challenge you so that you can improve and continue to get better and more confident in how you can balance through your life. Week 3, our focus turns to spinal mobility, which is our fountain of youth. We have 70 plus joints in our spine. And the more all of those joints have mobility, the more freedom of movement you will have in just living everyday life. So each week I will give you personalized homework that will continue to build on each other each week. And you will discover more about your unique needs. I will be there every step of the way, answering any questions that you have, and we'll work together to find your program on moving forward and feeling really confident, aging strong. So we have 5 spots. I look forward to seeing you and working with you. Thank you so much.